Thank you, TREKOLOGY, for sending this item to check out. We are going to be assembling the TREKOLOGY hiking pole. Okay, the first step is you're going to hold the stick and you're going to let it drop. We're going to call this section 1, section 2, and this is section 3. Section 2 should fall into section 1 here. It said automatically, but it's having, there it goes. That's going to go in there. It'll collapse into section 1. Step 2 says find the ring below the flip lock. This part right here that moves, I'm assuming. And it says pull down to expose inner shaft. So we're pulling this down. And it says it's going to be some resistance. We're going to keep pulling until the silver locking pins pop out. And we hear a click. Okay, we hear the click. And this is the pin they're talking about. That will be for step 2. So when you pull out, this will pop out. Then once the pin is down, you can adjust to the height. And to adjust the height here, we're gonna open up this latch and adjust the height. But eventually it only goes so far. So it gets about to 130 centimeters. Then you see this line here that says trying to tell you can't go any farther. So adjust it to the height and then you'll close the latch. And if needed, you can turn the thumb screw clockwise to tighten up the pole. And when you're done, just sort of do the steps in reverse. We are going to put this locking pin back in. And this is going to fall apart. We're going to pull that out and carefully pack it away. And this has been the TREKOLOGY trekking pole.